Hey guys, Derek Zan here with Valley Food Review, and today we are at Lee's Pharmacy, McAllen, Texas. And I haven't been here since I was a kid, since I was actually really young, but we thought we'd come back and check it out. So they have this old-fashioned soda fountain right in the middle of the pharmacy. So if you can come get your prescription filled, you can stop and have a burger, and they've got a really impressive menu. Okay, so I'm here with Ben Sanchez. He works here at the Lee's Pharmacy Soda Fountain, and Eva and Josefina. So they're going to tell you just a little bit about Lee's Pharmacy.
I've been working here for 5 years, and the restaurant has been here for 35 years, I believe. And I don't know, I enjoy working here. We get the same customers every day, and so we have a loyal following, if you want to.
And this is a locally owned business, right?
It's a locally owned business.
Locally owned business. Wow, 35 years this place has been around. And what did you order? I noticed you have a sandwich here.
Chicken salad sandwich.
Chicken salad sandwich.
Add jalapenos and add chips inside the sandwich.
Jalapenos and chips added? Is that on the menu, or is that something you did?
It's just something that I do. You can order it.
Yeah, you can still have it your way here. So, all right, Ben, thank you for your time. Ladies, we'll let you get back to work. What I got today was the bacon cheeseburger, because of course, if we come to Lee's Pharmacy, we want to try the burger. That's what Lee's Pharmacy was known for me. My wife here already took a couple of bites of the tacos, but she got the enchiladas here. Enchiladas and tacos. So you can see that, so looked really good. And our kiddo over here, she got the same thing. How's that burger going?
It's really good.
So okay, now I'm gonna try it out. Okay. French fries are good, definitely fresh. They still got some of that potato skin on them. Personally, I think it's got a little too much oil, but I've never been one to complain about an over-fried French fry. I mean, it's not really greasy to the touch or anything. It's tasty. Let's take a look at that. Look at that bacon. Crispity crunch. I just lost some bacon. Alright, so there's a burger, fully loaded, bacon cheeseburger. Let's try it out. I don't want to speak, I want to take another bite. Okay. Lee's Pharmacy. These burgers are incredible. And just to show you the menu really quick. They have things like breakfast tacos, breakfast plates, biscuits and gravy, hamburgers, cheeseburgers, chili dogs, hot dogs, club sandwiches, fish sandwiches. You can see they have hamburgers, grilled beef tacos, chicken fried chicken, chicken strips, tacos a la mexicana, toreados, panchos, light lunch. They have the Lee's Special, the Lee's Special, which is chicken breast, baked potato, and salad. Oatmeal, toast, and I don't know if you can really tell, but really good milkshakes. Isn't that right, kiddo? So she tried the milkshake and she said, you know what, I'm getting my milkshakes here from now on. So that's it, guys. It's the soda fountain at Lee's Pharmacy. They are open Monday through Friday, 7 a.m. to 3 p.m. and Saturday, 8 a.m. to 3 p.m. So if you don't know about it, now you know. We've known about this for a long time, and we feel terrible for not having come here more often. I'd totally forgotten how good this place was. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching our Valley Food Review quick review, and come and check out the soda fountain at Lee's Pharmacy. We'll see y'all next time. I'm going to finish my burger. Happy days.